News emerging from Lerena suggests Kaizer Chiefs are believed to have shown interest in a Sweden-based midfielder Luke Leroux with an eye toward bringing him back to South Africa. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, Amakosa's rivals, Mamelodi Sundowns, also expressed interest in the midfielder though no deal had materialized. Insiders have now indicated the Chiefs could shift their focus to Leroux following challenges in acquiring their initial targets such as Oswin Apolis and Tsepang Moremi from Amazulu. They are really looking at boosting their midfielder whether with a winger or a number 10, and Leroux is one of the players they are looking at. A second insider told Sia Crew that any potential move hinges on Lerox's decision whether to return to South Africa or to continue his career in Europe, where he is currently with IFK Värnamo in Sweden. It's all about the scouters and recruiters who suggest these players to the technical team as well as management, the source stated. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.